£80 of textile is discarded by each Washingtonian every year. Less than 1% of that can be recycled. Everything else, it's enough to fill the lumen field 3 times in a year. The impact data for whatever is upcycled or reused is not available. Hi, I am Kanika. I am a community volunteer and I have been in the nonprofit space for more than 11 years. This data I shared is not surprising anymore. We hear shocking numbers like this from time to time, feel sad, and move on. Except when we don't. Except when someone works towards changing the narrative. Someone like Ramya, who took the initiative to bring together that amazing team together and started Thread Together.
Hi everyone, I'm Ramya Grama. I have a background in technology leadership for social impact. Over past couple of years ago, I got interested in understanding the textile waste situation in the state of Washington. And that led me to starting Thread Together, building circular communities one stitch at a time. At Thread Together, we offer 4 services: mend and reuse, learn and teach, where people can learn how to sew and teach the community, swap and donate to swap clothes instead of buying new ones, and upcycle and reimagine fabric in new ways and create exclusive fabrics like the jackets you see here.
We have been using the existing infrastructure in the greater Seattle area to hold our workshops. City halls, libraries, community centers, all of them. Our participants are people from all walks of life: youth, working professionals, seniors. These are some of the testimonials that prove that the need for Thread Together in the community is there. Real spaces, real people, and real change. What sets us apart is that we want to affect behavior change. We educate people, we build skills. It fuels the economy in turn, and we are also tech-enabled. And this model is completely replicable. We bring people together. We have witnessed friendships being formed. People from various cultures have attended our workshops to share not only their material and their skills, but also their time. We're building something that our community desperately needs: social capital. The sense of belonging by sharing something common, which makes people happy and content. Now let's talk numbers.
Over the past 6 months, we've had over 7 events across 4 different cities in King County and Seattle. We've been able to engage over 177 community members and diverted over 1,000 pounds of fabric, but we're able to save over 600,000 gallons of water. And we're proud to say that we have onboarded 12 community partners, and we're continuously looking to working with more partners in the community. This is our impact dashboard. This coaster is made from fabric that would have otherwise gone into the landfill. Our app, Fab Lore, tells the stories behind fabric and also the data and the impact we are creating. By the way, this tool is readily available for any one of our stakeholders to use.
Our first workshop was only 6 months ago, in November. Within a month of that, we found partners in King County, Seattle Economy, and Washington State Department of Ecology. Last weekend, we were invited to host a workshop at the Sustainability Fair held by the city of Issaquah. We are looking to make more connections as we move forward.
Yes, with the power of community, we have been able to invest $10,000 thus far and create over $25,000 of community value. For the rest of 2026, we are seeking $60,000 to be invested to create $120,000 of community value. With the $60,000, we are going to be able to get space rentals, machines, and further improve our data analysis. I hope you can all join us, and the partners can join us as well to continue this movement and make this community grow further. Washington for a circular global hub for circular economy.
Thank you.
Thank you.